Hello everyone. So in today's video what we are going to do is after my previous video I got few doubts or questions about the auto buyer. So I gathered the most frequently asked query and then I want to address those queries as part of this video. So these are the queries which is being asked by most of the users. So I wanted to make a video for this. And if you have something else other than these queries, you can leave that in the comment section of this video. I will try to make a follow-up video on those queries. Okay. So let's get started. And for each of this query, I will create a chapter in this video. So if you're interested only in a particular query, you can directly just view that section instead of watching the full video. Okay. So the first one, what most of you were asking is what does login to AB server does? Okay. So since I'm already logged in, I'm getting logout option. So if I log out, here you will see this login to AB server, right? So actually what it does is if you log into AB server, we have an Android app. So for those who don't know, have an Android app where you can use the AutoBuyer there as well. So by logging into AB server, you will be able to control the web app from your mobile. Okay, so you can either start this auto buyer or stop this auto buyer using the mobile app, and you'll get live updates about what is the profit you made and like how much request has been sent to the EA server. All these updates you'll get in real time. So if you wanted that, you can log into AB server and then download the mobile app. uh, like if you're not interested, that is you will be always monitoring the auto buyer. In that case, login to AB server doesn't add any value to you. So I will just show it to you like whatever I explain now, right, in real time, like how it will work. I'll just show a demo of it. Okay, so if you log into AB server, you need to get this app from here. So you can click it and download from the Google Play Store. So once you log in, let me share my screen. So this is that mobile app which I was talking about. So here you see there are two connected auto buyers. Okay, so the one first auto buyer is this one, and I have one more auto buyer running here. Okay, so these are the two auto buyers which is currently connected. That's what you're seeing here. Now from mobile app I can click on start. Okay, so if you see the auto buyer started running here. Similarly, I can start the other auto buyer as well. So if you see it started running, and here you will get the like how much searches has been done, what is the profit made, all the coins. Okay, again you can stop it as well anytime you want. Okay, so if you wanted to have this functionality, then you need to log into AB server. If you don't want this, then you no need to log into AB server. It's just another button for you. Okay. So the next question most of you were asking is when is the iOS app coming up? Okay, so since we already have an Android app, most of you are looking for iOS app as well. So the update is the development of iOS app is almost completed and it's currently in testing phase. So those who wanted to test it out, I will give the test link in the description. So you can use that link to install the test app onto your mobile. And if you face any issue or if you want to give feedback, you can uh, use the test app to give the feedback. And mostly by next week or following up week, I am planning to release it to the Apple Store. So from then on, you can directly install it with and uninstall this test app. Okay, so that is the update about the iOS app. So you can even now install the test app using the link in the description. Okay, so next thing most of you are asking is there any chance of your account getting banned for using this script? Yes, there are chances your account can get banned. So not only this script, for any third party script there are chances EA might detect and ban your account. But from the users who has been using this script for the past 2 years, as far as I know, most of them only got soft ban to the transfer market, so not an like a hard ban. So what soft ban means is there will be a time frame where you will not be able to use transfer market in the web app. So it might range from 15 minutes to 48 hours. Even in that period, you will be still able to access the transfer market in your console or PC. Only in web app you will not be able to use. So more than auto buyer, coin transfer is what can get your account banned more fastly. Okay, so just keep this in mind. Your account can get banned for using this script, but most of the users just used to get soft banned. So keep this risk in your mind when using the script. Okay, and the next thing most of you are asking is, in AutoBuyer you used to get this log, right? Skip cached item. What does it mean? So to show it to you, if you go to a normal transfer market, right, and you choose some criteria, and then you try to search. Okay, so here you will get some set of result. If you go back and search again, you'll get the same results again unless you change something in the criteria, right? You'll get the same results again and again. So to avoid this, like what we'll do is we'll increase the min price, right? So we'll get the new set of results. So if you keep increasing, you'll get new set of results always. So that's what this also means. If you like keep a constant search criteria and let the AutoBuyer search again and again, uh, the same set of result will be coming again and again. So the AutoBuyer, what it will do is it will skip those cached item, because like those cached item might be sniped by some other users, so there is no point in trying to snipe again. So to avoid this, what you can do is, if you go to AutoBuyer, in search settings, we have this option called use random bid or use random buy. You can use any one of this. So what it will do is, similarly what here what we did, we just increased this, right? Similarly, it will also for each searches try to increase the min bid or min buy. So here you can specify like some range. So if I specify 500, from 150 to 500, it will increment like 150, 200, 250, 300 till 500 it will go, and then from 500 it will come back to 150. So in that way, it will keep changing the search criteria. So we will get the fresh result from the transfer market. Okay, so this is what you need to do to avoid like getting the skip cached item. Okay. And the next thing most of you were asking is, what's others one? So as the message suggests, it means someone else has sniped the card. So your request was rejected. Okay. So to avoid this, what you need to do is you have to reduce the latency between you and EA server. So for that, what you can do is you can purchase some VPS near London so that the latency will be reduced. For example, if from my local, if I try to ping to EA server, you see the latency is very high. So it is more than 150. Okay. So with the latency like this, so on average, I have like 200 milliseconds to ping EA server. So with this kind of latency, I'm not going to win any card which is of huge bargains. Okay, only normal cards I will be able to purchase. So to win a card with like which is competitive, what you need to do is you have to make sure the latency is very low. So as I told, you can purchase a VPS which is near London. So for example, if I try from here, you see I have only like latency of 2 milliseconds. So with if I run the AutoBuyer from this VPS, I have higher chances of winning the card than from my local. So this is what you have to do if you need to like reduce this error message. Okay, try to buy a VPS near London, so you can win more cards than losing. I mean, by purchasing the VPS, it is not guaranteed like you will win all the cards, but it will just increase the chances of you winning more cards than having something like this. Okay. And the final thing what most of you are asking is, what is a request rejected and too many requests. So like this error represent you are sending too many requests to the EA server. So like what EA has, like most of the APIs, right, they have something called rate limiting. So they prevent user from abusing their service by keep on sending more requests. Okay, and the number of requests each user can send will differ significantly, like what is the amount of request you have been sending for the past week, or for how long you have been using the web app. Based on all these criteria, this changes from user to user, like similar to how transfer market unlock happens, right? We exactly don't know the criteria when market will be unlocked in an account. For each user it is different, right? Similarly, this number of requests also differs from user to user. So if you're getting this error, the only thing you can do is like in safety settings, we have something called wait time. So just to increase the wait time so that you can avoid getting this error. Okay. And what I noticed is most of the user for wait time are giving a singular value, for example, 8 or 10 like that. So this is not a valid value. You have to give in range, for example, 10 to 15. So it will wait for something between 10 seconds to 15 seconds. Okay. So if you give singular value, the auto buyer won't be able to properly calculate the wait time. Even that can result in too many requests being sent. Okay. So now I have actually added this indicator. So for all the fields, if there is any invalid value, you will get this highlight saying this value is not valid. Okay. So then if you change it, it will like the highlight will go indicating this value is a proper value. So these are the things I wanted to cover in today's video, and I hope I was able to give explanation about each of these errors. If you have any doubts, please leave that in the comment section. As well as if you are looking for answer to any other query, please leave that also in the comment section. I will either try to reply to your comment, or if most of the users are asking, I will try to make a follow-up video. Okay. And like if you're looking for help, what you can do is you can join our Discord server as well. So there most of your queries might be already answered, or there will be active users who can help you with your queries. Okay. So the link for the Discord server also I'll give it in the description. You can use that to join our Discord server, and like there are some helping people in the server, so they'll be able to like clarify your query then and there instead of you waiting for my next video. Okay. So thanks for watching. Have a nice day.